Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. Today we shall discuss the next problem using limits. Evaluate limit as x tends to pi by 2 log into cos x whole divided by tan x. So here we shall see with the limit as x tends to pi by 2, that is x tends to 90 degree. So first we shall write the given. So given limit as x tends to pi by 2 log into cos x whole divided by tan x. So our first step is to check by substituting x tends to pi by 2. So as we know that log into cos x. So cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. Similarly here tan pi by 2 it is infinity. So this will be infinity by infinity form. So now using L'Hospital's rule, so differentiating numerator and denominator. So differentiating numerator and denominator, we have, so we shall write the given in the form of f of x equal to log into cos x whole divided by tan x. So our first step is to differentiate both numerator and denominator. So differentiation of f of x will be f dash of x equal to, so differentiation of, so this is of the form, so it is log into cos x. So we shall consider it as we know the differentiation of log x is nothing but 1 by x. So here we have log into cos x. So this will be 1 divided by cos x. So 1 divided by cos x, then whole divided by differentiation, then tan x. So differentiation of tan x is nothing but, so differentiation of log of cos x is 1 divided by cos x into differentiation of cos x is nothing but minus sin x. Then differentiation of tan x is sec square x. So now we shall write it as minus sin x by cos x is nothing but tan x whole divided by sec square x. So therefore we shall write f dash of x equal to, so now we shall reduce this into simplest form using sin and cos, so that by substituting sin pi by 2 we shall obtain a constant value. So the tan x can be written as, so minus tan x can be written as sin x divided by cos x whole divided by sec square x can be written as 1 divided by cos square x. So here 1 cos and 1 cos gets cancelled. So remaining is minus sin x whole divided by 1 divided by cos x. So here the cos x is at the denominator, so it comes to the numerator. Therefore we shall write it as minus sin x into cos x divided by 1. So now we shall directly apply the limit. Since we have obtained a constant value at the denominator, so we shall directly apply the limit as x tends to pi by 2. So limit as x tends to pi by 2 minus sin x into cos x divided by 1. So here we have x tends to pi by 2, that is 90 degree. So as we know that sin pi by 2 is nothing but, that is sin 90 degree is nothing but 1. Similarly cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. So therefore minus sin pi by 2 into cos pi by 2 divided by 1. So that is sin pi by 2 is nothing but 1. So minus 1 into cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. So divided by 1. So 0, it is 0 by 1. So the required result is 0. Thank you friends. For more problems on L'Hospital's rule, go to our channel and please subscribe us.